I'm Charles McCorquodale with Charles McCorquodale Law. While I may be unaware of the exact pain you're suffering right now, you might be surprised at my ability to recognize what you're going through and to understand the difficulties and challenges you face. Yes, that's right, because when I was a young teenager in high school, I experienced a significant trauma and suffered a severe traumatic brain injury that destroyed in many ways my short-term memory for a length of time and even affected my vision. I experienced amnesia of the wreck itself and the weeks in the hospital, and was unable to recall the time when I returned home in a wheelchair, unable to walk any distance on my own. Even when I got home, I was unaware of the location of rooms and had to relearn the house layout. I do remember one day though when I woke up and could recall the day before. I remember finally getting back to school and with difficulty attempting to remember some friends' names and what it was like going back to class. And even though math had been one of my best subjects, it was impossible when I first returned to school after the collision. As well, when the teacher first described writing a paper, intro, 3 paragraphs, conclusion, I was unaware what she meant and had to go to her office and ask her to explain it again. All these challenges and others I faced and learned to get through them step by step, minute by minute, doing what I had to, even when the challenges seemed difficult, even impossible to overcome, and took time. I understand if that's anyway what it's like with what you're facing now. I did ultimately return to school, graduate from high school, went to Tennessee, graduated from college in 4 years after high school, and immediately after that went to law school in Birmingham and finished law school in 3 years after college, and got started helping people who'd been through traumas or experiences with injuries similar to or even different from mine, because I care about you and what you're going through and want to help out. I've been there too and understand the challenges and at least want to help you out to face those and get you what you're entitled to. Recognize you have the right to call, to consult with, and hire a different attorney, and I respect that. At least give me a call so we can speak to find out how I might help you now, help you face the challenges and get over your everyday hurdles and obstacles to take the next step in a positive frame of mind, to understand what it'll take for you to move ahead and get over this in the best way you can, to reach your maximum medical improvement. And as soon as possible, let's work together to get you, that's right, all that you're entitled to. Talk soon.